The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Allegheny County in western Maryland, northern Morgan County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Barnes Gap, or near Hancock, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hancock, Berkeley Springs, Great Caucapin, Panhandle, Big Pool, Little Orleans, Johnson's Mill, Cherry Run, Lineburg, Valley View, Fisher's Bridge, Sparse Crossroads, Spruce Pine Hollow, Rock Gap, Forest Park, Belay Grove, Smith Crossroads, Berryville, New Hope, and Sleepy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.